Alright, this video covers how to replace the batteries on one of the Stabila electronic spirit levels. This is the 24-inch version, type 196-2. These are the electronic controls. I have the batteries out so they won't turn on right now. And then there's a battery access panel on the back. I had issues getting it open, so I wanted to make a video showing my process. So it runs on two AA batteries. They insert in opposite directions using the indications at the bottom of the battery tray. They're now installed. And then this is the battery cover. There doesn't seem to be any sort of gasket on this side. There might be a rubber gasket on the other side, so be careful not to nick that. There's a single flathead screw that holds this in place. And there's a notch facing inward on this side towards the far edge, and the battery cover has a screw on the other side. So to get it in place, it's just held naturally inside on that. Kind of clicks into place, I guess, to provide a good weather seal. And then I'm going to use a 1/4 inch flathead bit to put this in. So that'll be how the battery case looks when everything is installed, and you can see everything works great. It has backlight as well. We'll turn that off so you can open it. So I'll remove the screw first. And the first thing that I had noticed is that it didn't really come off very easily. It seemed to have some gunk in place. So it's seeming to come off easily now that I've opened it. But what I had originally done was I had used this, what is this? This is a 9/64 flathead bit, and I had wedged it in a little gap on this side of the battery bank and just very lightly pressed upwards until it came out. And it's still held in place on this side. It seems to click in place. So you gotta just lift up, and that will eventually release on its own. And then you should have access to the battery compartment.